We are going to talk about dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium is the state in a reversible reaction where forward and backward reaction continue. Okay, both reaction occurs at the same time. Concentration of reactant and products remain constant. Important, the reactant do not stop. Okay, they continue at the equal rate. Reversible reaction is the reaction that can proceed in both directions. For example, A plus B gives us C plus D, but C plus D also gives us A plus B. Forward reaction is from reactant to product, and backward reaction is from product to reactant. Okay, the double arrow indicates that the reaction is reversible. Condition for dynamic equilibrium: the dynamic equilibrium is established only when the reaction is what reversible, and it takes place in a closed system. No substance can enter or leave. Okay, the forward and backward reaction occurs at the same time. Okay, characteristics of dynamic equilibrium: forward reaction continues, reverse reaction also continues, rates are equal, concentration remains constant, color and pressure remain constant, no visible change occurs. Closed system is one in which no reactant or product can escape or enter. If the product escape, equilibrium cannot be reached. Okay, formation of ammonia, that is called Haber process. So what happens? N2 plus 3 H2 gives us 2 moles of ammonia. Okay, so nitrogen and oxygen reacts quickly. Ammonia concentration increases. Later, ammonia began to decompose, and reverse reaction became faster. At equilibrium, forward reaction is equal to reverse rate. The amount of nitrogen, hydrogen, and ammonia remain the constant. Okay. Graph of dynamic equilibrium is that the rate at initially the forward reaction is fast, whereas backward reaction is slow. For example, that is reactant. Reactant will at start it will rate of reaction will be high, rate of reaction, and product will also increase. That is product, and that is reactant. So at some point they both meet each other. Now the rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction. Concentration versus time. Reactant concentration decrease initially, product concentration increase initially. Eventually both became constant. Okay. Now we are going to talk about large Carter principle. When a system at equilibrium is disturbed, it shifts its direction that oppose the change. Okay. Effect of concentration. Increase reactant, equilibrium shifts to the right, more products are formed. Okay. Increase product, equilibrium will shift to the left, more reactants are formed. Remove product, equilibrium again shift to the right, more product will be formed. Remove reactant, if you remove reactant, equilibrium shift to the left. Okay, what does that right and left mean? In left we have reactants, and at that is reversible. At right we have products. Okay, effect of pressure. Pressure affects only the reaction which involve gases. Increases pressure, equilibrium shift towards the fewer gas molecules. Decrease the pressure, the shift towards the more gas molecules. For example, on left side we have four gas molecules, one from N2 and three from hydrogen, and right reaction we have two gas moles. Increasing pressure shifts equilibrium towards ammonia. Okay. Effect of temperature. Temperatures change the position of equilibrium depending on whether the forward reaction is exothermic or endothermic. If reaction is exothermic and we increase the temperature, the equilibrium shift to the endothermic left direction. Decrease temperature, the equilibrium shift to the exothermic reaction. Effect of catalyst. Catalysts speed up both forward and reverse reaction. Okay, they will not only increase the rate of forward reaction, but they also increase the rate of backward reaction. Does not change the position of equilibrium and helps the system to reach equilibrium faster. Okay, so change equilibrium shift towards. Increase reactant, product will increase. Increase product, reactant will increase. Remove product, so less product, so more product will be formed. Remove reactant, more reactant will be formed. Increase pressure, fewer gas molecules. Decrease pressure, more gas molecules. Temperature, increase temperature exothermic, it will move to the endothermic side. Catalyst don't shift anything, they just uh, make it quicker. Okay.